So, good morning children. Today we are here to continue our chapter number 4. In previous video we have discussed about the cube and we have done some exercise also. We have learned about prime factorization method and we have find that which number is a perfect cube or not. Now in exercise number 4.2 we will start our cube root. That day also I have discussed about cube root. While prime factorization method only we have to find the cube root of a particular number. For example, first question is your find the cube root of the following by using prime factorization method. So first is your 216. Okay. So 216, first of all you have to find the factorization. 2 ones are 8s are 2 5s are 4s are 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so we have done factorization. Now 216 is equal to how many pairs we got? 2k 1 pair है और 3 का भी 1 pair है. We have discussed that day only अगर cube find कर रहे हैं तो कितने का pair बनना चाहिए? 3 3 के. So we have already pair of, so we can say cube root, ये cube root का sign is equal to 2 into 3, that will be 6. So your answer will be 6. In this 216 we have done factorization, so we got a factors 3 2 है और 3 3 है, means one pair of 2 और one pair of 3. हम यहाँ पर one pair of 2 बनाएंगे और one pair of 3 बनाएंगे, so 2 3 is 6. It means the cube root of 216 is equal to 6. Cube root का sign ये है, already we have discussed that day. Now again we have to find the 1000. Okay, so again it will be divided by 2. 500 again divided by 2, so we will got 250. Then now it will be divided by. So we got a factors. One pair of 2 and one pair of 5. It means the cube root of will be 2 5s are 10. So cube root of 1000 will be 10. Why? Because 1000 को हमने पहले prime factorization किया, factors हमने देखे, so we got one pair of 2 and one pair of 5, so 2 5s are 10. So 10 will be your answer. In the same way, we will do factorization of 91125. First of all, it can't be divided by 2. Okay, so now we will try with 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Again 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 15. Now 3 3s are 9. Then 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 5s are 15. Now again we will try with 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. Now it will be 5. 5 25s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. Okay. So one pair of 3, again one pair of 3 and one pair of 5. It means two pair of 3 and one pair of 5. So we will take cube root of 91125 will be 3 3s are 9 into 5. That is 45 will be your answer. So first of all you have to find the factorization. Factorization आना चाहिए बेटा. I have told that it factors है, तो factorization करने के बाद we got a pair 3 3 and 5. So 3 3s are 9 5s are 45. Now again we are having one more question of finding the cube root. So again we will discuss with this. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s. Okay, so we have divided by 2. Now at last 5 is there, तो ये 2 से नहीं होगा. अब 3 से हम पहले काउंट करेंगे कि 3 से होगा या नहीं. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 6 13 plus 7 20 25 26 27. 27 it will be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 1 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Again we will try 20 26. Now it will be divided by 3 or not, we will check it. 5 plus 7 12 plus 8 20 22 26. Now it can't be divided by 3. अब ये 5 से होगा. Okay, so 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 50. Now it can't be divided by 5. अब ये किससे होगा? ये होगा 7 से. 7 40, 9s are 343, 7 7s are 7 1s are. Okay, so again we will find, we have factorized it. Now we got a two pair of 2, one pair of 3, one pair of 5, one pair of 7. So factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 420. So cube root of 74088 as will be 420. This will be your answer. So beta, main thing is that you have to very clear about the factorization method. You have to know the factorization. If you know the factorization method, then it is very easy. First of all, you have to do factorization, factorization. Then you have to make a pair of 3. अगर 3 3 के pairs बन रहे हैं, so directly you have to find the pair बनाने के बाद directly आप क्या कर सकते हो? Into कर सकते हो. That you will find the cube root. So this is question number 127. Some question I have left that you have to do in homework. So note down it. Then we will continue our next question. Okay. So children, now we come to our next question, that is question number 9. In this also you have to find the cube root, but in this case two numbers are given. Product है मतलब इन total का आपको क्या निकालना है? Cube root. So first of all what we will do? We will do the factorization first of all. Okay. So see. Three 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay. Now it can't be go by 3, so we will do directly by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 25s are 5 5s are 5. So here we got a pairs of 729. हमने क्या क्या pairs मिले हमें 729 के 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now factors of 1 5 6 2 5 will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So 2 pairs of 3, 2 pairs of 5. Okay. So we can say see we have find the factors of 729 and 15,625. Now factors of 729 are these and factors of 15,625 are these. So we have to find the again pair because we have to find the cube root. So we have find it one pair of 2 pair of 3 and 2 pair of 5. Okay. Now you have to find the cube root of this whole. So we will multiply this whole. So 5 is 25. 3 is 75, 3 is 75, 3 will be your 3 is 9, okay, 225. So again we will see, first we have done factorization, then we have taken the factors of these all, then together we have to find the cube root of this, so we have taken 2 pairs of this and 2 pairs of this. So 5 5 is 25, 3 3 is 9. So we get 225, a cube root of this will be your 225. Now next question is your 12th question in this. Find the smallest number which when multiplied with 53,240 will make the product a perfect cube. That day we have discussed about perfect cube. Same question we have done that day also. So like that only, first of all let us find prime factorization of 5324. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 5, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now it can't be over 3, so directly 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now 11.21s are 11 11s are 11 1s are. After 1331 is a cube of 11, so it can't be over any other, is it? It will be of 11. So one pair of, we got 2 and one pair of 11. That day we have discussed we need a 3 pair of a number to make it a perfect cube. तो यहाँ पे हमारे क्या है, फैक्टर्स क्या है, प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या हो गया हुए 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 11. So 2 का पेयर कंप्लीट है, 11 का कंप्लीट है. 5 के लिए पेयर के लिए हमें कितने और 5 चाहिए, 2 more 5. So we need 5 into 5 to make a pair. Okay, so 25 is a smallest number to be multiplied. This will be your answer. Okay, so like 4.1 also we have done the same question. We have to make, first of all we have to find the prime factorization of a number, then we have to add the factors, and after adding our factors we have to see how many numbers we need to make a pair. 2 का full pair है, 11 का भी है, नहीं है तो किसका, 5 का. कितने 5 चाहिए हमें, एक 5 है तो 2 more 5 to make a pair. So we need 5 into 5 to make a pair. It means 5 5 is 25 is the smallest number to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So here half question I have given of 4.2. Other questions are as it is like these question only. you have to find the cube root, so you have to do prime factorization. Basically in this chapter you have to know the prime factorization method. Main method is this only, so do it in your copy, complete this, and the remaining question you have to do by your own, practice it at home. And whatever you are having a doubt, so I have told in previous video also that please give me on your WhatsApp group or send me personally, so that in next video I can clear your doubts. Okay, so note down it beta please, and practice it. Okay.